I think, as Sai Baba said, patience and trust, Shraddha and Saburi is what is two paramount skills anyone will require into B2B sales.
But we can count you as one of our mentors for the B2B users who
Sure.
are into that.
Out of 20 years, I was always a hunter. I never had a farming to a greater extent, right? So, because that's what my forte is. So, hunting is basically, as again said, is a persona type which you need to be do it, right? So, hunting first requires is that am I curious enough to know the things? Am I ready to work in a chaos where there is no clarity? Am I ready to go and talk to people I never know? So these are the personality type which I should be very very clear about myself as a self awareness. Okay, if I am a guy who is always I'm a good relationship guy, but I generally don't go and talk to new people very easily. Then I'm a farming guy. Then I will go and sit in an account and then keep farming that account and will take that particular lead, right? Secondly, as I said, your thought leadership is a very, very important while you do hunting because as a hunter, you should be knowing and you should be one step ahead, right? That is how you can do hunting. Otherwise, how you do hunting?